students, it's Word Watch of 4th class. Today we are going to read life in the city and life in a village. What is difference between life in a city and life in a village, and which facilities are provides cities and which facilities are provides villages. Okay, these some of these facilities provides cities and some of these facilities are provides villages. Where cities are big and villages are small. Cities provide schools, colleges, and universities, but villages provide small schools, not higher schools, and not colleges, and not universities. Cities are provide university, school, colleges, and also hostels for villages students. Okay, to stay villages students. Village students come in city for higher education and stay in hotels and uh, hostels. City provide more traffic and fast traffic than in villages. This has no heavy traffic. Therefore, village provide fresh air and and due to traffic, it's a facility of city, but it's produce pollution, air pollution due to traffic smoke. Okay, and provide it's produce music due to music and due to horn sound pollution. Okay, students, traffic produce air pollution and sound pollution. The village has no heavy traffic, therefore it provide fresh air. Okay, next is hospital. City provides hospitals, and village provides small dispensaries and small clinics for treatment, but city provide a large number of hospitals. Okay, village provide fresh food, but cities provide not fresh food. Okay, most of big cities provides canned food. Next one is bank hotels. It's a facilities for jobs. Okay, a number of jobs. Cities are provides a number of job, big number of job, a large number of job, but villages provide like field job and small jobs at home. Women and men both are doing job in fields and gardens. Next one is more pollution and less pollution. And villages have animals and birds like these pet animals, but more pollution are more in cities. Why? Because it has more traffic and more bad sewerage system, but village has less number of people and less pollution than cities, and less traffic than cities, and less factories than cities. Therefore villages has small pollution. Okay, students, let's start reading now. It's a story about Kaleem and Farah. Okay, Kaleem. My name is Kaleem. I live in Lahore. My name is Farah. I live in Chak Daulat. Life in a big city like Lahore is very different from living in a small village. Read about Kaleem and Farah to find out more. Okay, we have already learned about village and city. Kaleem live in a new house near the airport. There are many houses in the street and they are very close together. Kaleem's father worked in a bank in the city. His mother is a teacher. Okay, Kaleem's live in this house, and this is Kaleem's mother, and this is a teacher, and Kaleem's father is a bank worker. Okay, lives in a smaller house in Chak Daulat. Farah lives in a smaller house. Kaleem's house is a modern and Farah house is not modern. Okay, a village in the Punjab. She has more space around her, enough space to keep some chickens and a goat. Okay, Farah has some chickens and goat as a pet animal at home. Farah's father makes carpet to sell. Farah's father make carpet to sell. It's a small business in villages. Farah's mother helps in the field. Faraz goes to a school in the village. She doesn't have to walk far to get there. Okay. Farah's mother helps in the fields. Faraz go to school in the village. She doesn't have to walk far to get. Kaleem goes to school too, but he has to travel in his father's car to get there because school. Lahore is a big city and Chakdol is a small village and to it has no more way to going school, but in city it travel in cars of his father. Sometimes it takes a long time due to traffic problem because Lahore has a major traffic problem like this. These women are working in field and this is a traffic jam in Lahore. Okay, this is a traffic jam in Lahore. This is Qazafi Stadium of Lahore. Sometime it at the weekend, Kaleem and his family sometimes go to a restaurant to eat. Like city provide restaurant, hotel for food, for modern food. Okay, and restaurant provide different types of food and different dishes from other countries and other provinces. At the weekend, Farah helps her mother in the house. Sometimes she plays with her brothers and sister in the fields. Okay, Farah has no facility to go in restaurant or hotel. Okay, to go in restaurant and hotels. Therefore, Farah play at home and play with his brother and sister, with her brother and sister in fields. Okay, and sometime Farah helps her mother in the house at weekend. Okay students, it's a difference between village and city life. Okay, next is write these questions in your notebook and give answers. Answer the questions in your notebooks. What kind of house do you live in? What kind of house? Like a city and like a modern house or like a Farah's house? What kind of work do your father and mother do? Your mother is a house lady and a working lady, and what is your father's job? Where do you go to school? Where do you are come to school? Your school name is Oxford National School of Farokhabad. How do you get there? Its answer concern with your mother and with your father. Okay, how do के आपने कैसे स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया था? What do you do at weekends? What do you do at weekends? Okay, it's about your weekend routine. Okay students, it's enough for today. Allah Hafiz.